This is the Panasonic Double Mineral Hairdryer. This makes it so much easier to achieve salon-inspired styles at home, as it comes with 3 different nozzles. Each of them has its own purpose to help you achieve a range of styles. The built-in quick dry nozzle combines strong and soft airflows for fast and even drying without causing any damage. The other versatile nozzle attachment can achieve just about any style, giving you total freedom to do what you want. And then the diffuser attachment helps to achieve effortless and well-defined curls. After using this for a while, you'll see a reduction in split ends, and you might notice that your hair looks shinier and healthier than ever. This is thanks to the clever combination of Nano-E and double mineral technology. Nano-E results in 1,000 times more moisture than standard ions and penetrates your hair deeper to really make it shine. Plus, double mineral technology keeps it protected against visible damage. It even keeps your hair at the ideal temperature automatically by using temperature sensors to adjust the heat level accordingly. So if it's the middle of summer, you're not blasting yourself with hot air. If you'd like more info about this Panasonic hairdryer, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.